all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. A curfew has been imposed in the Kashmir Valley on August 4th and 5th as the country's newest union territory marks a year since it was formed. The Srinagar district magistrate, in an order, said they have got information about separatists and Pakistan-sponsored groups planning to observe August 5th as Black Day. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi resumed his attack on the government over its handling of the COVID crisis. Rahul Gandhi posted an infographic that listed 10 countries with the most cases over a 24-hour period. India topped that list with nearly 53,000 new cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has earlier spoken about India being in a better position than other countries because the right decisions had been taken. The total number of COVID-19 tests carried out in India crossed the 2 crore mark on Sunday, powered by a rising proportion. Over 45% of the faster and cheaper rapid antigen tests in its daily volume of testing. However, ICMR is examining concerns arising over false negatives. Under RAT and RT-PCR remains the ultimate gold standard test. At least 6 people, including 2 children, lost their lives, while 2 others suffered injuries after being hit by lightning in separate incidents in Odisha's Balasore and Bhadrak district. People who were injured due to the lightning strikes have been admitted to a local hospital. Assam, which has been heavily battered by floods, is now showing signs of improvement. However, 3.89 lakh people in 17 districts of the northeastern state are still affected. More than 56 lakh people have been affected by the floods, which have wreaked havoc across 30 districts of the state. The Indian Met Department has issued a red alert in 5 cities in Maharashtra, including Mumbai, and said the districts will receive extremely heavy rainfall in next 24 hours. People are advised not to go near beaches and other low-lying areas as a high tide of 4.51 meters is expected in Mumbai at 12:47 p.m. today. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has announced a change in the norms for demarcating containment zones in the state. During a media briefing, Kerala Chief Minister said that from now on, containment zones will be defined after tracing the primary and secondary contacts of a positive person, and it will not be spread across a ward or a wide area. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb announced on Twitter that he underwent COVID-19 testing after 2 of his family members were found positive. Biplab Kumar Deb is now in home isolation as he waits for the results of the test. Tripura Chief Minister added he is following self-isolation at his residence and all precautionary measures are being taken. According to the National Centre of Seismology, an earthquake of magnitude 3.5 occurred in Churachandpur district of Manipur at 5:52 am on Tuesday. No loss of life or injuries have been reported so far.